In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to script a color changing door. To start off, insert a part to your game, then resize it to the size of a door, name the part door, then add a script. In the script, you're going to have to type local door equals to script.parent. This defines the door. Next, you're going to do function on touch, open bracket, close bracket. Then door dot can collide equals to false. This makes the door non-solid, so then the player can walk through it. Then door dot transparency equals to 0.5. This makes the door half transparent. Then door dot brick color equals brick color colon random, open bracket, close bracket. Then weight 2. Then do door dot can collide equals to true. Door dot transparency equals to 0. This right here makes the door solid, so it's the opposite of this. And this makes the door completely opaque. Then door dot brick color equals to brick color colon random, open bracket, close bracket. This assigns a randomly generated color to the door, such as this. Then at an end, there should automatically be an end for you. Then, to call the function and to make the script work correctly, add door dot touched colon connect and then on touch. This calls the function. Now the door should change colors when you touch it. And then I touched it, and there, it's changing color. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and I'll post another video.